In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update DNS records in Hostinger. Whether you're new to managing domain names or looking to fine-tune your website settings, understanding how to update DNS records is crucial. We're going to walk through the process in a straightforward way, so by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to handle these changes on your own. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Hostinger website. Open your web browser and visit the Hostinger homepage. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will appear. Hostinger's interface is user-friendly, designed to make managing your domains as seamless as possible. Now that you're logged in, look for the Domains section in the Dashboard menu. Click on it to proceed. This section lists all the domains you currently manage through Hostinger. It's the hub where you can make adjustments and updates to your domain settings. Choosing the correct domain is crucial. Select the domain for which you'd like to update the DNS records. Then click on the Manage button next to your chosen domain. This will take you to a new page that provides an overview of your domain settings and functionalities. Next, you'll want to navigate to the DNS settings. On the Domain Management page, locate and click on the DNS/Name Servers tab. This is where all of your DNS information is stored. It's the area you'll need to access to make updates or changes to your DNS records. Once you're in the DNS area, have a look at the different types of DNS records that are available. You might see A records, MX records, name records, and more. Each of these serves a different function, whether it's directing traffic, verifying ownership, or handling email. Understanding what type of record you need to update is important, so take a moment to choose accordingly. Ready to make changes? Click on the Edit button next to the record you wish to update. A form will appear where you can input the new information. This might mean changing an IP address, modifying a text record, or adjusting a priority number. Make sure all the details are correct before proceeding, as any mistakes can affect your website's functionality. Finally, once you've made the necessary adjustments, find the Update button and click it to save changes. It's important to note that DNS changes may take some time to propagate through the internet. This can range from a few minutes to a couple of hours, so be patient if you don't see immediate effects. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your DNS records in Hostinger. Regularly reviewing and updating your DNS records ensures that everything runs smoothly, supporting the effective operation of your website. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy managing!